Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial will be very interesting. We'll be creating scene of Lord Shri Ram with bow and arrow, so let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure, composition, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, in art history, what was the name of the artist who painted Shri Ram vanquishing the sea? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. In this scene, we need to show the strong stance of Lord Shri Ram. First, draw the head of Shri Ram in an oval or almond shape. Remember, we are taking the side profile of the character, hence his jawline will be more visible. Then draw the torso in a curved oval shape. His torso will be pulled back as he will be holding the arrow. In the same way, draw the stomach with a small rectangle. It will appear like the top part of half-cut cone. Then draw the pelvis area in a circular shape. Imagine that the Lord Shri Ram is stepping on the stone, so draw his one leg on a stone and the other leg in the diagonal side for balance. This posture shows unwavering confidence and authority. People in ancient times usually have stances like this to show their power and authority. If you observe properly, the character is leaning as it is holding the bow to keep the arch, hence leaning backwards and keeping his balance with his legs. Now let's draw the hands. Start by drawing the hand that is holding the bow and the other one that is pulling back the string and the arrow. As we are drawing the bow and the arrow, don't forget to draw a quiver on his back. The quiver is in a cuboid shape like a container that will hold the bows and the arrow. Now let's start by adding details like drawing the dhoti, as people used to wear the dhoti in ancient times. Also, add a rudraksh on his neck and a bun on his head. To give a more cinematic look to our character, draw the hairs in such a way that they should appear as if they're flowing in the air because of the wind. Add more details like rudraksh in his hands and patukas in his feet. And also don't forget to put tilak onto his head. Now draw the stones on which he is stepping. Here comes the fun part, coloring. Let's fill his skin color in blue. Fill the dhoti with vibrant yellow color and also use orange for more details. To stage the scene, draw the sun in the background, and to add more details, add the shadows in darker shades of the colors. Use a violet color to show more depth to the scene. And also, don't forget to show the shadow of the body casting onto the stone. And there you have it, an action scene of Lord Shri Ram. Now coming back to our artistry trivia question. The right answer is Raja Ravi Verma. Shri Rama vanquishing the sea is a famous painting by the Indian master Raja Ravi Verma Varuna that depicts Varuna, the lord of ocean, pacifying Shri Rama, angered at the intransigence of the sea to give way to enter Lanka. We share a lot of useful and creative blogs and information on our website. Make sure you don't miss out on the fun. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Check out our beginner and intermediate playlist to develop your base drawing skills. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.